Suppress. To hold something back, like feelings or information.
He tried to suppress his laughter in class. She tried to suppress her tears during the speech.
Withstand. To resist or survive something difficult.
Soldiers must withstand harsh conditions. She withstood all the criticism and kept going.
Exude. To clearly show a feeling or quality.
She exudes confidence wherever she goes. He exudes confidence whenever he walks into a room.
Subdue. To control or calm something strong, like anger or pain.
He tried to subdue his laughter in class. The soldiers subdued the wild horse gently.
Implore. To beg with deep emotion.
She implored him not to leave. The villagers implored the king for help.
Waver. To feel unsure or hesitate between choices.
Her voice began to waver with fear. The candle flame wavered in the wind.
Dishearten. To lose hope or confidence.
Don't let one failure dishearten you. The loss disheartened the whole team.
Embrace. To accept something warmly or to hug.
We should embrace new ideas. She embraced the new changes in her life.
Captivate. To strongly hold someone's attention.
Her smile can captivate anyone. Her voice captivated everyone in the room.
Radiate. to give off strong feelings or energy.
The sun radiates light and warmth. She radiated happiness on her wedding day.
Provoke. To cause a strong reaction, often anger or emotion.
His rude comment provoked her to reply sharply. The unfair decision provoked anger among the players.
Grieve. To feel deep sorrow, usually after a loss.
She continues to grieve her loss. We grieve when someone we love passes away.
Isolate. To separate someone or something from others.
Doctors had to isolate the sick patient. He isolated himself after the breakup.
Banish. To force someone or something to go away.
The king decided to banish the traitor. He was banished from the village for stealing.
Redeem. To make up for a mistake or do something good to fix a bad situation.
He worked hard to redeem his mistakes. He tried to redeem himself by helping after the argument.
Shatter. To break something completely, physically or emotionally.
His dream was shattered by failure. The glass fell and shattered on the floor.